Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make YouTube Shorts in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So from your Canva homepage, you're going to click onto the templates and type into the search bar YouTube Shorts. So you'll be shown loads of professionally designed templates, which are really cool. And all you need to do is go in and edit with your own text, images, and videos. So this really speeds up the process of creating YouTube Shorts. So you can further filter the shorts by style and language to get something that really fits your business. But today I'm just going to click on, let's have a look at this one, tech tip of the day. So I'm going to click on customize this template. So here is where I can make the YouTube short my own. So I can add in my own videos, own images. I can change the text if I want to, change the color. So if I wanted to change the font, I can click on there, click on the font and choose one of the fonts I want. Or click on there and change the text entirely. If I wanted to change that background video so I can see the video is here, I can either upload my own or I can see what videos Canva has. So I can see it's 7.5 seconds long. So I'm going to go to the videos and type in, hands typing to keep it in line with the tech tip thing. So I'm just going to click a little bit nearer to this split section, and then I'm going to add in this one. So it's a little bit long, so I'm going to delete that one. So I'm going to click on it, right click, and then I'm going to click on delete. So now I have that new video at the start, but I remember it was only 7.5 seconds I needed, so I'm going to drag it to 7.5 seconds. And then these are the transitions, so I can add like a little transition in by clicking on the middle, click on add transition, and then you can add in any type of transition you want. So when you hover over it, it will show you what it will look like. So I'm going to click on color wipe, and then I have my new video in there, you see. So say if I wanted to edit the color here, I quite like that purple, but if I wanted to edit it, I can click onto that section, click on the color, and go in and add a different color maybe that I have for my business. So it might be blue, or you can do like different gradient colors which stand out a bit more. So there's so many different edits you can do. So you can go ahead and add in your own videos for each section, edit the text, add in your own business name, things like that. If you want to make sections smaller or larger, you can easily drag and drop the videos and sections like that. When you're happy with your YouTube short, give it a name and you can download it as an MP4 video to upload to YouTube. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.